Hello, my name's Ma, and this is Cool. I'm from America, and she is from Laos. We came to fix our teeth. Before I came here, I had 2 cracked tooth here, and then my wife, she had all her teeth was kind of small, and we saw that Maiv Thoj was she had the teeth done here too, and it's very good. We saw it through TikTok, so here we are, and we got it fixed, and we like it, and it's good. Yep. See. The teeth seem very durable and very strong right now. As right now, I just got it done, testing it today, and hopefully it's gonna last me that 20 years. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Once we came here, this place was super neat, clean, and is very upkept. Everybody that worked here was really nice. We didn't have any trouble here, and it's like a 5-star hotel. It's super good here, clean. It's way better than what we have over there in the USA. So yeah, I think this place is very good. Okay, yeah, okay. So for anybody that is trying to fix their teeth or that is trying to find a dental place within their budget, come to Vietnam. This is the best place. I did it, and to me it's within my budget, and it's very good, and I'm very happy. As you can see, my teeth is so good. Also, you can come try out the food down here, and on top of that, this place is really neat and really clean. Nice vacation, and also get your teeth done. And we're very happy.
Thank you very much.